So do I want these faces looking down on me, or do I want these words looking down on me? I think I'll put the faces. Does it seem rude to be walking on the faces? A little bit. Could be. I don't know. I don't think I care. I'm gonna let it go, whichever way it goes. Seems like it'd be easier to put it up from right where it's at. Let's what does this say over here? Somebody and Sons. Leak and Sons. Okay. So let's line this end up with that end, and we'll cut it up here, and then we'll go from there. I'll go get me a sharp implement to cut it with. We'll drape it up on there and see if I can get some staples in my staple gun to work. Oh, the joy. Part right there might have made me feel more tighter than anything else I've done so far. That's kind of hard. Alright, let's see if we can get one end of it up onto there. Scooch it across and then roll it out. Maybe I'll try setting y'all up here for this fun part. I sometimes have moments where I wish y'all were here, so you could give me a hand with some of this stuff. This is one of them. One of them moments. I know you would too, if you was in reach. I know you, every one of you. Well, maybe not every one of you, but most of you. Most of you, if you could, you would. Y'all are good folks. I don't care what anybody says. You need the car, let me know. I'll get it loose for you.
Huh? No. No, I'm good. I went in to work out, but as you can see, I'm covered with thread, which means I've been sewing instead.
Dang, you gave up working out for sewing.
Yeah.
Such a sacrifice. Eh?
Yeah, there's just some, I just can't resist. It's like, So you're going to cover this with tin?
Yep.
Eventually, when you get to that point?
Yeah, that's the plan. Sure is.
Is this the whole piece that you bought?
No, it's half of it.
Oh, there you go. There's the other piece.
The other half's going to go on the floor.
Awesome.
Yeah. That way we won't be walking in dead mud.
Yeah. You're having fun too.
It is kind of fun. Kind of an interesting challenge.
We like putting things together just in different ways.
I think it's true.
Yeah.
We like very much. You know, I don't know anybody's ever done this, so that makes it even more fun. You know.
Yeah, there you go.
My thinking is that the old tin had nail holes in it.
That what?
The old tin, used tin, has nail holes in it.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, because it's used.
That's true. Yeah, it was used.
It's been put up and taken down.
So,
it makes sense to me to have something to catch the water if the water comes through it.
You have enough tin to do this whole outside area?
Yep.
Wow. go.
Pretty sweet.
Good job, honey.
Mm.